This is Allah's way that He destroys or destroys is okay. He destroys civilizations after a long time. Many civilizations were destroyed before these present civilizations. So at a stage, this civilization and this race of mankind will be destroyed totally. His question is, when a new civilization will come into arena, then what Shariyah they will follow and who will be their prophet? Will it
till the end of this universe, till the Yawm Qiyamah, only the Shariyah of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam will rule the universe. As far as the Shariyahs for the new generations of people is concerned, we don't know what they are made of, how they are shaped, and can they do ruku or sujood, or can they not do it? They may be of a different nature altogether. So Sharia is only for human beings which are like ourselves. Sharia is not for goats, because Sharia is not applicable to goats. So similarly, that Sharia depends on the person, the people, what they are made of. According to their constitutions, the Sharia will apply to them and Sharia will reveal to them.